Welcome, in front of me I have Beats Solo3 wireless headphones, and today I'll show you how you can connect them with your iPhone. So at first let me just turn them off, and that's the point when you are going to start. Okay, let's make it one more time. Okay, right now they are turned off. So how we can pair them now when they are turned off? Just click and hold that button for a few seconds. And when the indicators are blinking, we can finally erase that key. Of course, you have to also turn on the Bluetooth on your device. So we have to go to the settings, tap on Bluetooth, turn it on by tapping on the switcher. And after that, let's make the refresh. And in the other devices, we can find our Beats. So we have to tap on them once. And as you can see, after a few moments, we are finally connected. When we click right here, we can check stuff like serial number, model number, version, and we can also rename our headphones. So that's all. If you find this video helpful, remember to leave a like, comment, and subscribe.